God, see, it's mistaking him to be the mother.
I think it wants milk.
Yeah.
Let's get the mother.
Can you get her and come? You'll be doing a kind deed.
How's Anvika?
Anvika doesn't know how to deal with.
Lift her.
No, Ayush, where she's not. Lift the cage, she can lift the apartment and bring it down.
Ask her.
Do a kind deed, beta.
I can't go. It's too far. Ask her.
You are willing to ask her to lift a cage and bring. You can't carry a. Beta, she doesn't have experience with the. And she's not well, Ayush. I was not keen to bring Tara because I felt in case some cat attack happens on Tara, we can't afford to lose Tara because she's the mother rabbit.